What's up, Bones Jones? What are you doing, kitty cat? '62 Olds. At least that seat wasn't so bad getting out.
Yeah.
Just those two little wires at the bottom holding it in. I can't believe this thing's only got 24,000 miles. Is that what you said? What's that say on the odometer? 24?
24,688.
All these original parts. I lied in the previous video. This carpet's disgusting. I thought it was clean. I don't know why. You look at through the camera and you can tell it's definitely not clean. All right, wheels are on. They're 20 by 10 and they are a smidge too big, but they fit. They're really tight. They're real tight in there. Look, they look sweet on there. Got the inside. Putting fresh carpet in it. Whole floor is kill matted all over the front. Brand new carpet. Seats are getting redone. Still debating. What do you guys think? So it's a 394 big block, but parts are hard to find. The fuel pump's like $400. I'm kind of on a standstill. I'm not sure which one I want to run yet. I might just LS swap it. When you guys are working on stuff, you guys ever just get any crazy ideas for no reason? Alright guys, this is where things get interesting. I decided that I want to put a sunroof in the 55, so that's what I decided I'm going to do. I made a template from the glass, ended up squaring it out on the roof and got it squared where I wanted. Masked it all off, Sharpied it from there, and then got to cutting. Alright, I did it. I cut a giant hole in the roof. What do you guys think? So you gotta fit everything up still. Don't get your panties in a bunch. I've just got it mocked up in here right now. Some boards holding this giant old panoramic sunroof up in here. I'm actually pretty stoked. This thing's turning out good. Full electric, it opens. The front half of it opens all the way up. We're getting there. Try to cover everything up so I don't ruin everything with sparks. What do you guys think? Not bad for a 4-door. Some of you guys might be wondering what I'm doing. Taking a good running 4-door Bel Air and cutting a hole in the roof, and I'm pulling the motor out of it. It's been running for about 3 months. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I got a vision. So I'm pulling the motor and trans out of this so I can put it in a 62 Oldsmobile. I got a pretty cool white patina Oldsmobile. So I'm going to cram a good 5.3 and rebuild 400 into that one. So that way I can sell the Oldsmobile to fund the next combination for this. Alright, today's progress. Pull the radiator, core support, grill, exhaust, carburetor, fuel system, battery, transmission mounts off. Basically everything is ready to pull this thing. I'm gonna pull it in the morning. Pretty good Saturday. I never feel like doing that much. Sheesh. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, boys. Give a little update. Motor's out. Still a giant hole in the roof. It's okay, we're not gonna worry about that yet. Motor's out. Fresh rebuilt 400. Cam only 5.3. Found the donor for it. It's gonna be this bad boy. 62 Olds. 4-door. Dynamic 88. It's a pretty cool car. Here's the 394 that came out of it. All original, 25,000 miles. Found a donor for it. Someone's gonna put this in the international truck that they got. So got that bad boy out. That one's ready to go in. Gonna go ahead and clean up this engine bay. Clean up all this, this fun stuff. Get all this cleaned up. Probably reshoot the firewall white so it matches, so it looks fresh. I'll probably do the jams as well. Just got all the interior back for this bad boy. I got the door panels. They're not on this side yet, but interior turned out really clean. That's it. This is the updates, at least on these two.